It's sunset in the garden, one of my favorite times, and I thought maybe you guys would like to hang out with me while I do some harvesting to fill the animal refrigerators up. Look at all these beautiful Thompson seedless grapes. We have a bountiful harvest this year. I mean, look at all this goodness. And the cherry tomatoes, these are all volunteers that I talked about a couple weeks ago. Gosh, they are just still cranking. I'm getting buckets and buckets every week. Plentiful goodness too. So this is actually last winter's kale that has hung on all the way through summer. Usually we lose our kale production early summer, but the shading has helped them so much. They're just now starting to get buggy with aphids, but they're still beautiful. Nothing that a little hose off won't fix, and ready for the animals to enjoy. These spaghetti squash are awesome. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful and big they are. Dang. Look at that. The tomatoes over here are going really good too. Like, our summer garden is still producing so much while we're prepping for our autumn garden. Okay, so tomatoes, spaghetti squash, zucchini, butternut squash, Thompson grapes, and kale. Look how beautiful all of that goodness is.